What's up guys, my name is Diogo and today I'm going to be showing you how to do deposits into the platform Gate.io. So yeah, the cool thing about Gate.io is that it has a lot of small cap altcoins that you wouldn't be able to find in other platforms, like for example in Binance or Coinbase. The reason I decided to join Gate.io was because I was looking for a platform where I could buy some OMI. I've been using it for a while now and it's been a really cool platform. So yeah, let's get into it. Basically it's very simple. As you know, in other platforms like Binance, if you're already using Binance, you should be very familiarized with deposit like fiat transfers. In Gate, it's different. You can't deposit your money directly from your card into the platform. So what you need to do is you need to have another platform that accepts fiat deposits. So for example, the two platforms that I use is Binance and now Gate.io. So what I do is I do the deposits in Binance and after I transfer the USDT, the Tether, into the Gate.io. Let's get right into it. Basically what you would do to deposit into this platform is you would have to go to your account, to your current account in Binance, and you would have to do a fiat deposit. So you would just do it as you normally do. You would go here, pay with US dollars. You would choose either bank transfer or credit card. You would click in. You do the normal, the regular deposit as you do in Binance. And once you make your deposit, let's say you want to deposit like $500, you'd go in, you'd select USDT, and you just do the normal deposit. Once you have your USDT, your Tether, you'd go into your wallet, you'd go into overview, you would click the coins. Once you are in your wallet inside of Binance or the other platform that you use, you would just click withdraw in your Tether. Once you click withdrawal on your Tether inside of your wallet, you want to click Tron as your method of transfer. You want to go to your Gate account, do the exact same thing, go into the My Funds, click your Tether. You would want to click deposit in your Tether. Select Tron as your method and you want to copy your USDT address with the Tron selected. Once you copy it, you just paste it back in your Binance account and you select the amount that you want to transfer. Let's say $500. And yeah, that's it. You just click submit. Right now I don't have the funds to do it, but once you click submit, normally it takes me around like 3 to 5 minutes and the balance will be available on your Gate.io. Once the balance is available, you can just trade it normally. I hope this video was helpful. And remember, if you haven't already signed up for Gate.io, just click the first link below and yeah, see you soon guys.